Okay, news of the present. 20th Century Fox announced yesterday the remake of an old classic. Going before the cameras in July will be Tuesday Weld and Zero Mostel starring a new CinemaScope version of Breaking the Production Barrier. This film, as you know, is a haunting story of a frustrated secretary who forsakes retyping forever and finds happiness with an MTST.
I didn't know that.
Take me to your clean leader.
News of the Past presents the origins of OPD. It all began at the dawn of recorded history, when history was recorded with sticks on clay tablets at dawn.
Thank you for your concern. Sincerely.
Stop! No longer will you have to slave and drudge, writing letters on a clay slab with a stick.
Really?
I have an invention that will save you hours of backbreaking toil.
What is it?
The IBM electric stick.
I wish I had thought of that. My MTST doesn't seem to be functioning correctly. All my machines are working fine, but my secretary isn't functioning very efficiently.
Wrong.
Fenster, I've had to rate you very low this time. I'm afraid your main fault is you just can't take criticism.
That's a dirty, rotten stick of line!
That man has a lot of potential.
The preceding program was pre-recorded on a 224DE unit especially equipped for color. Stay tuned for Peter Platten, starring in Gidget Goes to Sales Training School.
Very interesting, but not as funny as breaking the production barrier.
Take 3, show number 3. From the piker room of the Hotel Chargeback, the Office Products Division presents the Ralph Inn. This program is brought to you today by Stevens Frozen Type Bars.
Good morning, IBM. You'd like a tie line, sir? Just a moment.
I demand that margin be 1 3/4 inches.
Who are you?
I am the marginal dictator.